Hey YouTubers, Clara here, and on this episode of Clara Marie Vlogs, I'll be unboxing this box, which has treats from New Zealand I ordered, special. I'll be sure to link the website I got them from in the description below. So without further ado, I'm going to unbox this. I ordered Eskimo Lollies, the Pascall Eskimo Lollies, to make lolly cake and malt biscuits. I ordered doubles, so here it goes. Ta-da! KiwiCornerDairy.com is where I ordered it from. Like I said, I will link them in the description below if you want to order. They ship nationwide. So, without further ado, here is what I ordered. And it came with little packing peanuts. And they really wrapped these up fine. And the bubble wrap. Yeah. So this is part 1 of the vlog. I will be filming part 2 later today. I mean, actually, in the next video, which will be posted today, about the lolly cake, which I will not be adding coconut to because I am serving it to people, and just not, in general, not everyone likes coconut, even though I do. Just respect their wishes. So that concludes this part. See ya!